Here's another example of a concept question in class. We talked about voltage supplies in series, and I sort of told you guys about batteries. If there was a 2-volt battery here, 2-volt battery here, a lot of people, actually I think 100% of you, told me there's a 4-volt difference between this bottom node and the top node. Then we went on to generalize that and say I can combine 2 voltage sources that are in series by adding them. And my trick, I guess, I'm not so sure I had a trick, but if there was an output that I wanted, if it was like this, I would say this is 5 and minus 7, so this would be a -2 power supply. Or if the question was, if I put the plus V of the multimeter here, plus VB in here, minus VB, VB would be -2. If I swap the polarity, it would be 2 volts. So this, I'm assuming you remember we did in class. Maybe the jump to here was too high, but this is similar from my perspective, the same, but I realize the difference is the resistors. And these are 2 open nodes, and again, the current here is 0. Current is 0. There is no voltage drop. Current is 0. Voltage drop is 0. 0 and 0 because there is no closed circuit here. Now the question is, if I put a multimeter here, assuming this is the plus VA side and the minus VA side, from here to here there's 7 volts. So if this were 0 volts, there would be 7 volts here. And then I drop 5. So from 7, so if this side of the 5-volt supply is 7, I only know that this 5 is 2. So this would have been a VA equals 2 volts. So this is what I was expecting you to do in the exam, to count. So if minus VA were here, I'd start from 0 here, it's plus 5, and then I go -7. It would have been -2 volts, which is the same situation as here. So I hope this clarifies at least one of the concepts questions.